Hello all, welcome to Mohan's Health Central. The channel is about health and healthcare devices. It gives the total information regarding many healthcare devices available in the market. Hi, today I'm going to show you the details of Attendant Wheelchair. This is a compact chrome plated Attendant Wheelchair and it comes with a smaller rear wheel, so it is not suitable for self-driving or self-riding. And the wheelchair comes with a seat belt which provides additional support for the patient. And also how to unfold this wheelchair. This is how to unfold the wheelchair. And the footrest, you can see here. You can see the seat belt also here. And there are two brakes from both the sides of the wheelchairs they are provided. And to fold the wheelchair, it's very simple. So this is all about Attendant foldable chrome plated compact wheelchair. For more details you can call us on our number 98482 or you can visit our website wheelchaircentral.in. Thank you.